All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. Now, today what we're going to do is meet up with Motorfire. Many of you guys have seen his Camaro SS up on the channel. It's an absolute monster. The guy's approaching, I believe, 1,000 wheel horsepower in that thing. So today what I want to do is talk to you about some of the exhaust setups that I've had on this Charger, and then we'll get going. Now, when I first got it, I ended up removing the mufflers and the resonators, and from the exterior, the Hemi sounded great. But within the cabin, I noticed that on the highway there was just too much drone. It became very annoying very quickly to have that kind of setup. So what I did was I ended up putting Flowmasters on there, and that removed a lot of the drone, basically removed all of it. And then I went out and got a Magnaflow Performance exhaust. 3-inch exhaust, so really there was no drone, but the car just was not loud at all. And now with this exhaust, it's the Magnaflow Xmod, and really there's no mufflers, no resonators. But the difference between this setup and the straight pipe setup that I had before is, take a look at back here. Now on this year of the Charger, the exhaust tips do not extend past the rear bumper, and when I first did the straight pipe, the exhaust tips probably ended around here, and so a lot of the sound waves were getting trapped into the rear bumper, creating a lot of cabin noise. So this exhaust setup extends past the rear bumper. Also too, there is a no drone technology that is helping the highway. So it's this piece right here. So technically speaking, this isn't a straight pipe exhaust, but it doesn't have any mufflers or resonators or anything like that. Now you guys have heard cold starts and flybys. Now today what I want to do is show you, or let you see what this thing sounds like up on the highway, doing a couple of, you know, small pulls. Nothing crazy, but I want you to hear it out and about and just ripping. So with that being said, let's get into it, guys. My black view wasn't recording. My black view wasn't recording? Did you see that cop?
Yeah.
Holy shit. We were crackling.
I tried to quiet it down as fast as possible.
Did you get it on video?
The cop? Probably.
Yeah.
I didn't look, but probably did.
I have to get that footage from you. Dude, this thing blew my freaking left eardrum out. Ripping past me. I got a bunch of the passes, so yeah.
I would say I'm sorry, but I'm not.
It sounds so good, man.
I know you haven't experienced it since the meth got kicked in.
You got the meth now in there?
It's working, yeah.
Yeah, I remember we were babying it a little bit. Yeah.
But that last pull that I did, I don't know if you caught that. That was full
Throttle, everything?
Power, yeah, everything, yep. My IETs dropped from like 90 degrees to 55.
You were kind of in like a blind zone for me.
Okay.
And then I heard you, and I know the camera probably picked it up.
Probably, yeah.
But that last pull, you just saw it just, whoa. I thought for sure that state trooper was going to bust our balls.
It was a good 10 seconds.
Both of our exhausts were crackling and going nuts.
I'm almost certain he heard the
Oh, 100%.
100%. But no, he let us go, so that's good.
What do you think of my exhaust, though?
It sounds great. I told everybody, you crackle more than I do.
Yeah?
Yeah, you
A lot of people, they think like I have like some kind of a crackle tune, and it's like, no, man.
No.
It's just that exhaust setup.
You just let off the gas. And,
Yep. Yeah, it just crackles like son of a gun.
Yeah, yours crackles how mine did before boost. I guess after boost, it doesn't crackle as much.
Yeah.
But, or maybe the tuning.
It crackles, yeah.
A little bit.
But you hear it on the downshifts, man. It's like
Oh,
ba 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 ba.
Yeah,
It's cool.
Especially if I'm at high RPM and let off, it'll crack. But no, it sounds great. What exhaust is that?
It's a Magnaflow Xmod. So basically, after the cats, it's just straight pipe.
Perfect.
And then it has like a no drone technology. So I'll tell you, with the windows up, and you just cruising, like you're not like in sport mode and dropping gears and stuff. It just, it's quiet as it's not that quiet, but it's not annoying. It's not like a regular straight pipe, you know, in the cabin.
I thought it sounded great. And then when you're going past the underpasses, that's when it's really obnoxious.
I just wanna die.